with the cutting of a ribbon, a new urban space for Mohawk families opened. It will provide culturally appropriate supports and services for children and families in the process of being adopted or have been apprehended. Program manager Kim Hearn said it will help children and families to connect with their roots.
We want to teach some of these families that what it means to be from Akwesasne, and that's the thing. I mean, some of the children don't know their clan. They don't know their family. Every one of us that work here, we can tell you who you're related to, how you're related, and some of those secrets that your family didn't want you to know.
Grand Chief Benedict says it's extremely important that community members can access the same child welfare services that the Mohawk Council provides regardless of where they're living. The expansion is a result of a $40 billion settlement finalized in January to settle child welfare claims. Roughly $20 million of that is to be used on program reforms across Canada over the next 5 years. It will allow First Nations to provide services so children and youth remain connected to their families, communities, and culture.
Rulings of the child welfare case has brought some additional resources, but also has identified some of the gaps that exist for our community members who want to be on reserve, who normally would be on reserve, but unfortunately are not. So the office here will provide additional services to our members who are living off reserve, but also are transiting back onto the reserve. So,
Regional Director Ann Scotton of Indigenous Services Canada says it's an essential step for First Nation communities to care for their children. She commends Akwesasne's child advocacy model.
This is key. This is a truly phenomenal advancement in the way that band representative services are offered. Many communities have services and have had a limited range of services, but this, the way that this is organized really offers service to every member of the community, no matter where they find themselves and no matter what their circumstances are.
Grand Chief Benedict says the Mohawk Council is prepared to work with other First Nation communities in Canada that are interested in their child welfare model. And at Francis, APTN National News, Cornwall, Ontario.